got me here, now what?
Well, here's how I see this deal. Since you agree I ain't gonna let you drive this car to dinner, and I agree you ain't gonna let me drive this car to dinner, there's only one way to settle this.
What are you talking about? Absolutely.
Let me tell you something, Tim. If you can't control your race drivers any better than this, you might consider sticking to something you can control. Like used cars in downtown Charlotte.
Too close to call?
Yeah.
You're late.
We, had car trouble.
What kind of car trouble?
I believe it was the radiator. Wasn't it, Cole?
Yes, Rowdy. I believe it was.